Good morning, and welcome to the annual 2016 Technology Associated Georgia Excalibur Awards. Technology is all around us. It enables our businesses every day. It is exciting to see how rapidly it is changing. Honestly, it is astonishing, and I work in it every day. My role as Chief Information Officer of Manhattan Associates is to take that technology and drive value at my organization. I am fortunate to be part of an organization that is responsible for doing that for our customers as well. As our business is evolving, our need to drive that technology change more rapidly is always advancing. We are constantly looking for ways to service our legacy environments while driving innovation into our organizations. This is what makes our roles so rewarding, as we can never settle and always must focus on our customers. Each year, TAG celebrates and recognizes Georgia's best and brightest through a number of events, starting with the Georgia Technology Summit and culminating with today's event, the TAG Excalibur Awards, which celebrates companies and organizations that demonstrate the best use of technology. What makes technology useful and meaningful is when it puts us together in finding simpler, more efficient, and impactful ways to solve complex challenges. This year's TAG Excalibur Awards applicants were certainly diverse and included companies, nonprofits, and educational institutions, and a whole lot more. As a result, our judges had a monumental task in selecting the finalists and subsequently this year's winners amongst an incredible number of applications. Today, we recognize and honor these problem solvers and innovators with the 2016 Excalibur Awards. Events like the Excalibur Awards don't just happen. It takes the generous support of our sponsors, the platinum sponsors, ASAP and JBN Consulting, gold sponsors, Sun Technologies, and our silver sponsors, Definition 6, Manhattan Associates, NCR, OutSystems, and Dell SecureWorks. Our bronze sponsors and table sponsors are listed in the program. Please take a moment to recognize our sponsors. The TAG Board of Directors and Leadership Council also provided guidance. Please stand and be recognized at this time. Lastly, I want to thank the talented and dedicated staff of the Planning Committee and the TAG staff for all the hard work that it takes to put this event together. The Planning Committee meets periodically throughout the year to pull together the sponsorships, the events finalists, and select the actual award winners, and it's a lot of work. It's my third year and first year serving as chair, so I know how much goes into this. So thank you to the Planning Committee and TAG staff. Thanks so much for making my job as chairman an easy one this year.
We found through the technology in Employ Georgia that we can reach a larger base of our customers 24 hours a day by providing a web-based technology solution.
Gamification is where you take the best practices in game thinking and apply it to something that's very important to an organization.
And we incorporated gamification into our program called IHG Meeting Point. We built it from scratch, and we incorporate all the basics.
Using visualization technology to visualize history. And so actually history professors leverage tools like Tableau to create heat maps of historical events.
And so that we can automate as much of that data collection as possible. And so our inspectors weren't really collecting data anymore. They were really confirming that data was really accurate.
It's completely designed with the idea of what are the needs to be able to produce and deliver unique therapies, which are media-based, to a patient and their families.
We standardized around a web content management solution as a way to deliver content to our websites, and actually chose a two-tier solution versus a single tier.
The business in lots of areas had needs that we couldn't meet, so we took a different approach. That approach was to look for a software solution that we could develop with our own internal staff.
Basically we took the data that those tools provided us and made optimizations in our marketing, and ultimately that led to increasing our revenue.
And we knew that it was efficiency, that we had to be more efficient in order to grow and to be more profitable.
So we've worked on basically creating one application that you can take a potential client and you can run the entire fulfillment process all the way to booking and boarding alone.
At the time, we didn't have good capacity internally to create data analytics, and so we partnered with the Carl Vinson Institute of Government at UGA. They took our disparate term-by-term data, they structured it into a huge longitudinal database. We wound up with about 9 million records.
Well, IHG really wanted to become a game changer in that, focus on small meetings. We partnered with a third-party gamification vendor called Lunchball, and we incorporated gamification into our program called IHG Meeting Point.
Gwinnett Online Campus has been on the cutting edge of creativity and innovation to really say, how can we address the online learner and what systems can we bring to bear to really make it a rich, rewarding experience for our students in Gwinnett County.
We looked at how could we consolidate everything, how could we streamline everything, how could we kind of go green at the same time, and so we worked on a 3-year implementation of a human resources management system.